Good morning, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we are looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica that has been converted into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. We've got Ray here going to do a demonstration of boarding one of these vehicles. This is here in Freedom Motors, we've been in business over 30 years and we have hundreds of vehicles to choose from. This is just one of many wheelchair accessible vehicles we have. We have also Chevy Suburbans and Silverados and Kia Souls and Sorrentos. This one here is a power entry, power rear entry. It's got bucket seats. There we go. Power rear ramp, automatic ramp, power sliding doors. It's got bucket seats in the second row. There's also a third row seat in this one as well. All right. Go ahead, Ray. Ray's going to show us how we do it here. All right. So with Freedom Motors, you got the freedom to travel in style. This vehicle here is like brand new. It's only got 7,800 miles. It's a 2018 model. Leather interior, bucket seats. So as you see, Ray's comfortably right in the middle here. So we got 5 passengers total, plus the third row is 2 more. So you got 7 passenger vehicle, 7 passenger seating configuration. And just like that, and you also can install an easy lock system there in the ground and the bottom on the floor with a bolt that hangs down from the bottom of the wheelchair and bolts right into place. So within seconds you can take off and be on with your day. Again, this is Freedom Motors, Battle Creek, Michigan. Been in business over 30 years, and this is just one of many awesome vehicles that we have converted into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. If you are in the market for a wheelchair accessible car, please give us a call or text 24/7, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Please subscribe to my page. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a call if you got any questions. Go to our website as well to see our whole entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.